Hi there, this is post-video Holly telling you that I am sorry how shaky the video is, and I'm not sure, I think I just need a lot of practice. In the past I used a gimbal, but the gimbal is really too heavy to carry hiking, and on top of all that I still have to carry a tripod. So I'm trying to do it with just a tripod. And so bear with me while I get better at this. So thanks. Hello there. I am walking along my road. I've been doing, okay, so last Sunday I went on a hike down in Connecticut at Bigelow Hollow State Park. The hike was 9.3 miles. It was my first hike of the season and it kicked my ass. I was seriously hurting the last 2 miles. Just, yeah, my feet were killing me, my knees were killing me. I mean, I was in like severe pain. I was hiking with someone and I told him repeatedly, just go on without me. I just I'll get back to the car eventually and nobody's gonna kill me on this trail. So, but I think it was my boots. I don't know. I love those boots. I've used them for, all last year, and they were great. Never had any issues with them, but man, did they kill me yesterday. So I got some, I ordered some Altra Olympus a few weeks ago. And they've been sitting there on my counter, and I've been looking at them. And so on Monday, after my hike on Sunday, I actually felt just fine Monday morning. I mean, I was a bit sore. My calves were a bit sore. But otherwise, I felt good. I felt like I could hike again that day. And so every day this week, I've been going for a walk after work. So Monday, it was 1.7 miles. Tuesday, it was the same walk, 1.7 miles. Wednesday, I did a little bit different route, and it was 2.6 miles. And then Thursday, yesterday, I did a different route again, and it was 3.1 miles. Today I'm walking, number one, a bit slower because I'm filming. Number two, I'm probably going to do this 2.7 mile route. I don't know. I'm not too fussed about hiking a lot. Today, it's Friday. I've hiked every day this week. I've walked every day this week. I don't feel like I need to, I feel like I've walked enough in these Altra Olympus that I know they're going to be good for me. I haven't had any problems with my calves. Typically last year it was pretty frequent that I would get really bad cramps in my calves during the night after hiking. And so that's why I decided to try the zero drop, see if that would help. Because I know it does stretch your calves out more. And the downhills kill me anyway, so I thought the zero drops would probably be better on the downhills. My heels are a little bit flatter to the trail. Not by much up here in New Hampshire, but anyway, so I'm walking down my road, and it's still chilly. It's well, my thermometer is reading 44 right now, but I don't think it's actually completely reset from coming out of the house. So I'll give it another minute or two and see what it looks like. It takes a little while to adjust. The dog, Wiggles, is loving these everyday walks. He looks forward to them, and he's doing really well. And hold on, I'll show you a little bit here. Wiggles. As you can see, we still have a lot of snow here. And let me put this away and I shall walk. track for the high power lines is still all covered with snow way up there. This guy down the road from me is building this awesome tower on his house. Way up there by the barn is the marshmallow, ready for me to bring him down, get inspected so I can start doing trips. Using a microphone with a dead cat on it, and it's pretty windy. I'm hoping that the sound on this is okay. This is kind of sort of a test for my setup for hiking. So I'm using my LG phone. I have this little tiny tripod that extends way out. And then I've got a Movu mic on the top. It's connected into the phone, which has a dead cat on it. So overall, the setup is relatively light, however heavy in hiking standards. But I think it'll work well. That is Mount Cube. Way off there. Part of the AT. update on my part. I did end up going probably about 3 miles, but I felt good. It was easy because I wasn't trying to walk so fast. My other hikes have all averaged 3.1 miles per hour. This one's probably more like 2 1/4, and it's a much nicer pace. So I'm almost home. So I'll try to edit this and get it up quickly. Again, just as a little update, that hiking season has started, and I'll be hiking more. And also, of course, once the snow is gone and I can bring the marshmallow down from the barn, I'll be getting that inspected, which was due in February, and start taking that out on trips. So, take care. Thanks very much for watching, and have a great evening. Bye-bye. Post-video Holly again. And so my average speed on this hike, first of all, it was 3.1 miles, same as the last 2 days. And my average speed was 2.9. So it really wasn't that slower than the last 2 days, which were average speed of 3.1. I think I'm just getting in shape finally. So that's good. All right. That's it, and have a great evening, and also a happy Easter, because actually today is Friday, Good Friday, and I know I probably won't have this posted until Monday, but I hope you had a happy Easter. Bye-bye.